In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on GoDaddy Website Builder. Navigating website builders can sometimes feel daunting, especially after making an accidental change. But fear not. I'm here to guide you through the process of undoing any unintentional edits on the GoDaddy Website Builder, a task that can be accomplished smoothly with just a few quick steps. First, you'll want to open your browser. Whichever browser you prefer is perfectly fine. In the search bar, type in GoDaddy.com and hit Enter. This will bring you to GoDaddy's homepage, the starting point for your website management activities. Once on the GoDaddy homepage, find and click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, your username and password, to access your account. Be sure to double-check your details to avoid any login hiccups. After successfully logging in, navigate to your product page. This page acts as your main hub for all the products and services you have with GoDaddy. Look for the Websites Plus Marketing section, where you'll find a list of your websites. Next to the website you wish to edit, click on the Manage button. This action will take you directly to the website management interface, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the management page, you'll want to find and click on the Edit Website option. This will open the Website Builder interface, allowing you to make changes to your site. It's in this environment where you might have made the accidental action you want to rectify. Now, let's say you've accidentally deleted or moved an element on your website. Undoing this is straightforward. For users on a Windows system, simply press Ctrl and Z together on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, the combination will be Command and Z. This universally recognized shortcut directs the system to reverse the last action taken, bringing back that deleted element or reversing any undesired move. It's critical to keep in mind, however, that the undo functionality works only within the same session. Once you close the tab you're working in, all changes become permanent, and the undo feature will no longer be available for previous actions. Therefore, if you make an unintended change, ensure you use the undo option before exiting or closing your browser tab. By following these steps, you should be able to easily manage any accidental changes in the GoDaddy website builder. Understanding how to effectively undo actions will save you time and prevent unwanted stress when editing your website. Now that you have this skill up your sleeve, feel free to experiment and design with more confidence. Happy editing!